you can see, I'm laying out my ingredients. I have 3 of the small flaky biscuits. I've got some mozzarella cheese balls, some pepperoni. I took the dough and I split it in half and did 2 out of each biscuit, so that should give you about 10 of these. Over here in this corner, I have got the leftover steak with the bell peppers and onions there for the Philly cheesesteak. And I've got some barbecue, and then I've got my favorite barbecue sauce. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Now we're going to be adding a mozzarella cheese ball to it, and then we're topping it with Vidalia onions and bell peppers and rolling these up. I've added the cheese, the bell pepper, and caramelized sweet Vidalia onion, and now I'm going to put a little bit of cheddar and mozzarella cheese mix, and then we're going to roll them up and get ready to bake them. Just want to pick them up and roll them up, and then pinch the top of these to make them look like little poppers. I'm going to just set them aside, and then I'm going to get my Ninja ready to go. And if you don't have a Ninja, what you can use is your oven. Turn it on about 400 and cook it about 8 minutes. And just watch it. Some ovens may vary, and it may take about 10 minutes on them. We're actually using our Ninja grill, and we're going to go ahead and start it. We're going to do air crisp. We're going to go down to 350 on ours. We're preheating it right now. I'm going to melt some butter for the top of them. Kind of put some butter down here in the bottom of it. And then I'm going to take each one and just put a little bit of butter on the top of them. If you don't want to use butter, egg wash. And then we're going to put it back in here. And we're only going to probably let these cook for about 5 minutes, but I'm going to watch them and check because I did make these a little bit thinner to stretch them out because I'm trying to get like 10 out of each of these small cans. You can actually use the larger cans, make them thicker. It's up to you. Okay, we've got the timer on. About halfway through it, I'm going to pull them and check them, and I may flip them over. Just kind of keep an eye on these guys. We're about 2 minutes in. As you can see, they're not quite done yet. I'm going to just give them another little bit of a glaze and then cook them for the remainder. I'll probably cook them for a minute more. Let me see what they look like on the bottom. I'm going to flip them over and kind of glaze the bottom a little bit so we can get them real nice and crispy. They're starting to look quite yummy. Flip these last few over. I think I may have gotten that one twice. Be extra good. Okay, and I'll put the lid down for the remainder 2 minutes.